What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. I'm super excited because I received a phone call today to come and collect my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. For those that do follow me, you'd know that I actually gave the car in just under 3 months ago to have a full body respray. So if you haven't followed, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz. But anyways, we are going to collect the car in this video today, but I'm going to give you a recap from the start of the work that we did on the car up until now, and at the end of the video I'm actually going to do another transformation because the car is going to look completely different from when I actually picked up the car the very first time, because we're going to change the wheels and also the suspension as well. But throughout the duration of me keeping the car, you'd know that I did a few other work, like with the exhaust, the tints, and every other little bits on the car. So you can see that in the playlist. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you check out my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R playlist. So anyways, let's head over to the body shop and collect the car and see what it looks like, because it had a full body respray. What a journey this car has been. So before we finally picked up the GTiR, there was actually a lot of work that went into it to getting it to this stage. We started off with a few upgrades when I first purchased the car. That includes the new exhaust and fresh tints, also a new steering wheel. But most of the videos of them are in my Nissan Pulsar playlist if you want to check that out. But once we took a closer look at the bodywork, there was more work to be done. There was a rust spots around the rear arches and the sills and underneath the car that needed some serious attention. So the GTiR went after the welders where the rust sections were cut out and new rear arches and sills and also a floor pan were welded in. Once we got it back, it was actually getting a little bit better with the looks wise. The bodywork had been sorted out, there was no rust spots. We had a bit of a wait, but the next step was going to be a big one, a full body respray. And now everything we've done to this car, it's finally back home and it's being transformed. Enjoy the video. Is on my driveway. Just look at the stance that it's actually got. I actually like the uncut bumper with the number plate in the middle. What do you think? It actually suits it much better, and the plate just stands out too good. So let me give you a walk around and tell you what's been changed on the car. So of course, first things first is the uncut bumper. So the number plate's been changed to the middle, and as you saw before, the number plate was on the side and all this was cut with a mesh where you could see the front mount intercooler. Now the front mount intercooler is still there, but you can actually see the mesh there and the intercooler, and there we have it. So also we had a little mark here, that's all been done. The car is just super soft. Not only that, remember I bought brand new wings from Greece. They've been put on. Also these were orange, changed them to clear to match these indicators as well. But yeah, just look at the car. Wow, actually done a very good job, very good job. Now probably for those who are wanting to know, the number plate is going to be changed as well. So we're going to change the number plate. You'll see that out when I actually put it on, just to match the front, and it's gonna, hopefully I've got the same size as the full square bit here, so JDM one. This is the smaller version, but hopefully that number plate will fill all that gap there, so there's no gap there. But yeah, we had a mark on the back bumper. That's all been done. Well, basically it's just full car's been done. The full car. The major thing was all the red marks that was here where the welding got done. That's been done as well. Wow, car looks super clean, mashallah. Super clean. Just look at that. Looks really nice. So for all the eagle-eyed viewers on the Nissan Pulsar, you'd know on the front arches, front wings, whatever you want to call it, and the back arches, yeah, I had these on. Now these have already been painted, but the guy didn't actually put them on because obviously the paint was, you know, still kind of fresh, and he didn't want to put it onto fresh paint. So he goes, after a bit of time, just stick them on. But what do you think? Shall I actually leave them off or stick them back on? It actually looks nice without them on, but I don't know, obviously, because I wanted to put them as OEM as possible. I think I might have to put them back on. Let me know in the video comments, what do you think? I'll make a shorts video to put these on if I do, but let me know your thoughts. Should I leave them on or leave them off? Here is the final result. Now I was thinking to get the car lowered, but as it's on 17s, I think it's sitting all right, because obviously when I have passengers in the back, it's going to lower it a little bit, but I don't want to lower it too much because it's just going to be a rough ride over the bumps. But wow, mashallah, look at the stance of the car. Everything is still fresh on it, from the bodywork to the number plate, to the wheels, to the side indicators, tints, back number plate being changed. Wow, the stance on that, mashallah, done well. From where we started when we first bought the car till now, it has definitely blew up in looks. What do you think of the wheels? Does it suit the car? Let me know in the comment section below. Even the red calipers actually stand out compared to the previous wheels. But wow, these, in my opinion, the car mashallah looks sick. I'm going to be taking it to some car shows, so make sure you like and follow. If you want to see any other videos with this car, let me know in the comments. But appreciate all the likes and comments regarding the car. And yeah, that is it. The car had a full body respray, new wheels, new side indicators, uncut bumper, new wings. Everything has been done to the car, alhamdulillah. All is well. So yeah, time to make some content. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you like, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you again for another video. Time to take this car out for a drive.